Hello team. For some reason the immersive reader didn't work during our meeting, but now I say it's working, so I thought to do this video. So when you finish creating the quiz, you would share the link to your students, and here I shared the link to my students through my Microsoft Teams. So if you click on that link, it will open up a new web page, a quiz page like this, and when you hover the mouse on the title, you will see this little icon, the book and speaker button, one top of each the other. This is, you see it says immersive reader, so what you need to do is click on this button and it will take you to this new window. If you are using it first time, you can just say you've read the tips. So this is a quiz about gerunds and infinitives. So here you can change your text preference. So if you want, you can increase the spacing or increase the size, and you can play with your font types. And here you can do reading preference. So you can turn it on, so it will read it line by line. You can also turn on the picture dictionary. So if you're not sure of any word, just highlight the word and it will show you the picture. And like any other application, you can also choose any language that you like. Say for example, I'm choosing Arabic, and you can ask the application to translate it word by word or the entire document. So if you do entire document, you see here it's already translating the document into Arabic, and this is really useful for beginner level students. And also this is another interesting tool that we could use for low level learners. So see that grammar option, so you click on that one and you can turn on the syllables. Let me turn off this Arabic thing first so I can show you how it works. So we go to grammar option, you can turn on the syllable, then it will actually show you the syllables. See, gerunds, infinitives, so like this. And you can also play this as a video, so it will play it for you. And also you can turn on these things, so you can ask the app to show the nouns. They're all color coded, so it's really helpful for low level learners. So you can ask the reader to show the verbs, and they're in red color, and turn on the adjectives and adverbs. So you can see they're all in color coded. So infinitives, quiz, they're all nouns, and take, test, they're all verbs, because yeah, so it's really useful, and I hope this is useful to you. And yeah, thank you for your time.